The education industry is very vast, varied, and vital as it plays a significant economic role with education export overseas worth nearly 20 billion euros. Globally, it is one of the biggest industries and essential to many countries for their workforce development. Hello and welcome everyone. I am Neha. As we have come to an end of this series, today let's talk about the education industry. This industry comprises a wide range of institutions and organizations, from preschool to universities, as well as supporting roles in areas like technology, policy, and administration. Due to covering a major part of the market, these industries face challenges when it comes to student engagement and interaction, managing courses for multiple students and departments, allocating resources for them at the same time and during the time of admission, and recruitment processes. And the fact is, education cannot be compromised at any cost. Looking for a solution? Salesforce Education Cloud. It can easily cater to all these challenges. Let's see how. Education Cloud provides a 360-degree student view, predictive analytics, which helps institutions to identify early risk and provide them timely interventions like counseling and academic support. It also helps in streamlining student admission, tracking applications, managing leads, as it also reduces the administrative burden and enhances overall experience for both students and staff. Education Cloud also optimizes course management processes, right from streamlining class scheduling to effective course management enrollments, ensuring resources are allocated effectively with the educational strategy. Upscale your education institute and provide the best knowledge out there. As we have come to the end of this series, I hope we have been able to provide you the right information you were looking for. Connect with us today, a Crest Gold Salesforce partner, holding an expertise on all right set of tools and products of Salesforce.